this surface area third take. Before I get into surface area, I need you guys to be familiar of finding the area of different shapes. We have 4 shapes here that I need to show you. Now you need to be able to find the area of circle, area of rectangle, area of square, and area of triangle. I'm going to go through each of these formulas, but right now I need you guys to copy all these formulas down along with the pictures. So do that now. So now let me go ahead and go through each of these formulas. The area of circle is pi r squared. Pi, we're going to use 3.14 as our estimation in our calculation, so make sure you use 3.14. Copy this down too in your note. R, well, what's R? R is the distance of the line connecting from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So this line right here connecting from the center to the point outside on the circle is the radius. And we're going to use the radius to help us calculate the area. Area of rectangle and area of square, well, they both have the same formula. It's length times width. Okay, L stands for length, W stands for width. Okay, now looking at a rectangle, length is going to be the longer side and width is going to be your shorter side. Multiply them both together, you get your area of rectangle or area of square. Moving on to our last formula, and this is going to be the area of triangle. This is 1/2 base times height. B stands for base, H stands for height. Base is going to be the length of your bottom side of your triangle. So whatever length the bottom side of the triangle is, that's going to be your B, your base. Height. Height is going to be how high is the triangle, how tall is the triangle. From the tip of the point, from the very top to the bottom of the base, this line here we call the height. And we're going to use this as a calculation to find our area of triangle. Now when we're doing the example, make sure you have your notes out so it's handy and you know which formula to use. We're going to go ahead and go through the first example here. First example here, we're trying to find the surface area of the shape. Here we have a rectangle. Now there are 2 points that I want you guys to follow when you guys are finding surface area, and these are the 2 following. Use your notes. Find out which formula you're using. Okay, you have your notes out here, so go ahead and use it. It's here. Put it on the side. Second thing, make sure you're using the correct unit of measurement. Here, your measurement are in terms of centimeters, cm. Okay, so looking at this, we have a rectangle, and we're trying to find the area. So refer back to your notes. We have rectangle, rectangle, area, rectangle is length times width. Okay, so now we are going to use this information. So we're going to write here, area equals to, our length is going to be 12 times width is 5. 12 times 5 gives you 60. So make sure you write the correct unit of measurement since we're using centimeter. This is 60 centimeter. Area, we're describing area, so this is centimeters squared. So that's my surface area. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the surface area here, 60 centimeters squared. Let's go ahead and look at a more complicated problem. Our second problem here is the same thing, but here again we're asked to find the surface area. Now we have, how many shapes we have? We have 2 shapes, right? We have a rectangle and we have a circle. Again, first thing first, find the area of each shape. So again, area of rectangle is length times width. So go ahead and write this down. So area equals to, length is 8 times width is 4. So 8 times 4 gives me 32 centimeter squared. So my rectangle has an area of 32 centimeters squared. Now to find the area of the circle. If you don't remember what the area of the circle is, look at the formula again. Area of circle is pi r squared. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and write the formula up here on top. Pi r squared is the area of the circle. Well, what's r? R here is this half distance, right? From the center of the circle to the point on the circle. And that's 2. So r is 2. So we have the information, r is 2. Now we're just going to plug it into the formula. So we have pi times 2 squared. Order of operation tells me that we have to do exponent first. So 2 squared is, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times pi, we're going to use 3.14 instead. So we're going to have 3.14 times 4. Okay? 3.14 times 4, that's going to be, well, that's going to be 12.56 centimeters squared. Okay, so now we have the area of the circle, and we also have the area of the rectangle. Surface area really is just how much total area do I have in combination of all the shapes I have. Okay, so right here we have 2 shapes, we have 2 area. Add them up, and you will find your surface area. So I'm going to write over here, surface area, okay, equals to, I'm going to have the circle area, which is 12.56 centimeters squared plus 32 centimeters squared, and that's going to give me a total of 44.56 centimeters squared, and that is my answer. That is my surface area. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.